Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you quickly how to enable slow motion in your Android phone. This feature is available on most Android phones. So I'm using a Samsung phone here for today. So we just open the camera application and then you will see more. Press more. You will get this menu. You just press slow motion. Now you can take your videos in slow motion. So just gonna do it again. Open the camera application and then more. You get this menu, press slow motion. Now you're ready to make videos in slow motion. That's it for today. See you in the next one.